Friends, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video I will be showing you how I redesign this t-shirts. This is a fashion fix. Yeah, so this video contains two different styles you can reuse your t-shirts for, your old t-shirts or new ones you probably don't like the style. First t-shirt I'll be working on. Yeah, so if you want to see how I achieve both looks, keep watching and do not forget to click on the subscribe button to get notification whenever I upload a new video. So first thing first, I'll be taking out the pocket on these t-shirts. Yeah, I couldn't find my seam ripper, so pardon me guys. I'll be using the next best thing, which is my razor. Please, while doing this, try to be very careful so you don't mess up the fabric. I'll be taking out the sleeves of this t-shirt. I'll be taking away the sleeves of this t-shirt. We'll be using these sleeves again. We'll come back to the sleeves because we need it for our top, but right now I'll be cutting it off and then keeping it aside to work on the top itself. Once I was done with taking off the sleeves, the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be cutting off the upper part of this t-shirt. Yeah, so there was no actual measurement to this. I went with where the armhole was located. I used my scissors and then I cut through from where the armhole was located straight to the other end of the shirt. So spreading my fabric out, I'll be cutting off where these buttons are located. I don't need this part in the style I'm about to achieve, so I'll be cutting this off and then throwing them away. So once all that is done, I'll be folding my fabric into two and then into two again. That's folding it out into four. Yeah, so placing it down, I'll be using my measuring tape to calculate to chalk down the required length I need to achieve my top. And then going in with my scissors, I'll be cutting that out. You guys, we are one step close to achieving our top, so please keep watching. So this is a thread I'll be using for this top. This is not the normal thread, it's an elastic thread. I got mine from the market for just 15 naira. So yeah, if you're in Nigeria and you want to get one, just walk into the market, any store that sells sewing equipment, just ask for an elastic thread for 15 naira. You can get yours. I'll be taking this fabric to my machine to hem the bottom and the up of this top. If you don't want to hem it, you can weave it, but I don't have a weaving machine, so I'll be hemming the bottom and the up of the top. See, I'm done hemming both sides. So now it's time for me to reel in my thread and start sewing on the top. This is how I reel my thread. I think it's preferable for you to use your bare hands to reel your elastic thread to your reeler. So that is what I'm doing right now. So for the next part of this video, friends, I'll be advising you to watch. So yeah, on the top of my butterfly machine, I'm using a plain thread. When I say a plain thread, I mean non-elastic thread. That is what is on the top of my butterfly, and then under where the reeler is, that is where the elastic thread is. As you sew across the fabric with your non-elastic thread, that's on top of the fabric you are sewing with the non-elastic thread, underneath the fabric where you have your reeler and your elastic thread, it is gradually shrinking the top. So you have to actually sew across it and then come back again, sew on the next line. On the next line, you need to keep doing this until you get the required amount of shrinking you want. So I'm done using the elastic thread on this top. So this is the result you achieve after after sewing in your elastic thread to this top. You see how the top is all shrinked up. Yeah, so I'll be keeping this piece aside. I'll be keeping this aside to work on the sleeves of this top. You guys, so now it's time for us to bring back the sleeves and then work on the sleeves for this top. I'll be cutting this part off. I don't need this part. I'll be cutting it off, and then the required part I need, I'll be taking this to hem the bottom of the sleeves. And once I'm back, I'll be showing you the elastic I'll be using on the sleeves. I'll be taking my fabric to my machine to sew a straight line on the two sides. I'll be joining the two sides together, like I'm locking it in. I'm trying to close up my top, so I'll be taking it to my machine to sew a straight line and then bring it back for you guys to see the final look. Your top is supposed to look like after you're done sewing on straight lines on it and then locking both sides in and making it a whole top. This is what you're supposed to see as the final result. So yeah, working on the sleeves now. This is the elastic I'll be using on my sleeves. I bought this elastic for just 150 naira. So yeah, if you're in Abuja, Nigeria, you can walk into any market where they sell sewing stuffs and ask them for this elastic. Is sold for just 150 naira for this whole pack. You have to match the elastic with your sleeves. That's the next best thing for you to do. So I'll be doing that. I'll also be matching the elastic through the middle part of the sleeves because I want it to shrink at the middle. So I'll be doing that on the middle part of the sleeves too. So now, using my office pin, I'll be pinning down this sleeve to my top. I'll be pinning the one of the sleeves to the right side and then the other one to the other side, to the left side. So you guys, after that, I'll be taking this to my machine to match, like to lock it in. This is the final look of the top. Thank you guys for watching. Please do stick around for the next video. guys, this is the next t-shirt I will be working on. Yeah, so I got this t-shirt for just 500 naira. Yeah, in Abuja, Nigeria, in a market very close to my house. I got it for just 500 naira. So if you're in Abuja, Nigeria, you can get yours for just 500 naira. So yeah, this t-shirt does not have a pocket, so I'm just going to go straight to cutting off the sleeves and then working on the top. After cutting out the upper part of the t-shirt, I'll be keeping that aside, and then this is what I'm working with. This is what I want to work with. This is the part of the t-shirt I need. So yeah, I'll bring in my elastic now and then chalking out the required amount I need for my top. So I'll be chalking out 20-21 inches on the elastic, because once it stretches out, that can go around my chest. So I'll be chalking out 20 to 21 inches on the elastic, and then taking my top, my fabric, the fabric lying on this table right now, taking it to the machine. I'll be folding it in to the exact size of my band of my elastic, sorry. So I'll be taking my fabric to the machine to fold it into the exact size of the elastic I'll be using for my top. So I'll be folding it in to the exact size, and then using my safety pin, I'll be passing this elastic through the top. So you guys, please watch and see. Also guys, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button on this channel and subscribe to my channel, you guys, so you can get notification whenever I post a new video. Also, you can like my videos, share with family and friends, even with strangers. That won't hurt no one. Yeah, so also please, you guys, you can also write on the comment section. I'm always reading comments, or you can email me. Yes, you can do that. As you can see, you guys, I'm passing my safety pin through my elastic, and then using my safety pin with my elastic together, I'm going to pass this through my top. Remember, we folded this top, I folded this top in by the exact size of my elastic, so that when I'm passing my elastic through the hole I made, my elastic can pass through without any blockage. Yeah, it's time for us to work on the sleeves. So yeah, I'll be cutting the sleeves off from the shirt and then cutting the bottom two of the sleeves because I don't need that part. Yeah, so after doing that, I'll be splitting each of the sleeves into two. You know, we have like two parts of the sleeves already, so I'll be splitting each of those two into two, so we'll be having 4 straps, because I need 2 on this side, 2 on this side, on each hand. So I need 4 straps, 1 long, 1 small, 1 long, 1 small. part of this video, I'll be advising you guys to watch to be able to understand what I'm doing. I'm actually not doing anything difficult. I'm just trying to trim out the 4 straps and make sure that all the longer ones are equal and the shorter ones, the smaller ones, are equal. That is all I'm trying to do right now. So I'll be using my scissors to trim them out, the longer ones, and then for the shorter ones too, I'll be doing the same. And then I'll be taking these 4 straps to my machine to close all ends. Oh no, I'll be leaving one end open on each strap so I can turn that inside out. I'm trying to do right now, you guys, I'm just trying to turn this inside out. So with the help of my scissors, I'll be using the blunt end of my scissors to, you know, push this out and make my work easier. Yeah. All I'm trying to do right now is take a longer strap and a shorter strap and join to make a whole strap. You know, we have 4 straps, 2 long and then 2 smaller ones. So I'm taking one of the long and one of the short and joining to make a whole strap, which I'll be joining to my top. Please do let me know on the comment section below if you like this video, if you want me to be doing more of this fashion fix. Please do let me know. You can also email me. Yeah, you can do that. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to share with your family, your friends, even to stranger. Like I said, it's not gonna hurt nobody. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Please do have a nice life. Bye bye.